Students, next topic, that solid waste in chapter number 16. Solid waste refers to that everything that goes out in trash, right? Every day, so much amount of solid waste is generated. Human population is increasing and increasing. Same way, the waste is also increasing and increasing. We call this solid waste that's a municipal solid waste, right? Municipal solid waste are waste from home, offices, stores, school, hospital, etc. that are collected and disposed by the municipal. पता है ना घर पे वो green color की okay that way green color vehicle come to collect all this waste, right? So municipal solid waste, in that which thing we consider as a municipal solid waste. So examples like a paper, food, plastic, glass, metal, rubber, leather, textile. These are the certain examples for the municipal solid waste. Now, this waste, how this waste can be disposed. So for that, one of the option is the landfill. Landfill, in that open dumping or open landfill. Two types of landfilling is there. One is a sanitary, other is the open. So first, open dumping. Open dumping, in that municipal vehicles, right? They collect all the waste from houses to houses, then dump this waste, dump this waste into into one of the area, and this waste is uncovered. The waste gradually piled up. Okay, so much amount of waste is okay dumped over there, and after certain period, that waste burn or compressed at interval to reduce its bulk. Okay, burning. आपने भी ऑब्जर्व किया होगा कि फर्स्ट वेस्ट इज कलेक्टेड एंड फिर वहां पे बर्न कर देते हैं, फायर इज देयर, सो द वेस्ट इज देयर. ओके, पेपर है, क्लोथ्स है, दैट कैन बी बर्न and the amount of the waste is reduced. So actually, no doubt, waste reduced हो रहा है by burning, but it causes environmental pollution also. It releases that gases, methane and others, carbon dioxides. So this is not the best option to get rid from this solid waste. Second option is which one? Sanitary landfills. So here, make a big dig, okay, big dig out the bigger area, then put their waste into this dig out area and then covered with a dirt or a mud every day. But just imagine, every day to perform this thing, this many landfills, sanitary landfills are also required. This many digs are also required. This many pits are also required. Right? This is not possible. And जो open grounded होते हैं, that is actually the acts as a breeding grounds for rat and flies, right? This organism grow over there easily. This organism acts as a paste for vector or a vector for certain diseases also, which is not good. So sanitary landfills are there, which are adapted as a substitute for open burning dump. In a sanitary landfills, wastes are dumped in a depression or a trench or a pit after compaction and covered with a dirt every day. For that, so many these pits are required, right? In every area, these pits are required, which is not possible. When this type of sanitary landfills be agar hai, right? So waste is compacted and covered with sand or mud or dirt. Then what happens when rainfall occur? Water enter into this, and water enter into this. Over here, whatever the things are there, with that this water mix and cause a pollution. Underground water resources get polluted. right? Underground water resources into the soil mainly for plants, for growth, and these resources get polluted. So for that, one more solution is there, that all waste that we generate we divided into three categories: biodegradable, non-biodegradable, and the recyclable. Right? Biodegradable meaning which can be decomposed by microbes, which can be decomposed by the microbes. So from this all municipal solid waste, see, paper, okay, paper can be easily that can be degraded. Then next, food is there, right? So these are the examples for biodegradable waste. Spoiled food, vegetables, घर पे vegetables होते हैं, right? In Gujarati we call the chal. कोई भी fruit ले लो, outer covering, right? We remove. So that all thing comes under this biodegradable waste. Collect this biodegradable waste. For that, first dig a large pit, put all this biodegradable waste over there, cover with a mud. Over there, microbial growth occur, and due to that microbial growth, this thing get decomposed and form a manure. Manure, right, which can be used as a fertilizer for plant, right? So entire waste that convert into manure. Burning या कुछ यहाँ पे required नहीं है. So that is totally pollution free system. No pollution in that. If manure के form में use नहीं कर रहे, then it remains as a humus into the soil, right? Which can be used by the plants. So biodegradable waste first. Second is a non-biodegradable, which cannot be degraded by any microbes, remain as it is, like a plastic. Most of the plastics are there, right? They are non-biodegradable. Then next, third one, that is recyclable. Recyclable meaning paper, paper, glass, metal, right? These are the examples which can be again reused. And even certain plastic, very few plastics are there that also come under this recyclable category. Generally, plastic is a non-biodegradable. Certain plastic is there that comes under this recyclable. We will see that, okay, plastic ke roads form karna, so in that plastic is recycled. That's why I told you that certain plastics are we can consider as a recyclable. Paper can recycle, certain plastic, glass, metals, right? Metals extract karna hota hai, so that thing can be recycled. So now ye degrade ho gaya, the now waste is there that remain on the that we call non-biodegradable. पता है अभी तो घर पे भी जो म्यूनिसिपल व्हीकल्स है ना, वो ग्रीन कलर रेड कलर के, पता है दैट्स डस्टबिन्स आर गिवन, सूखा कचरा, गीला कचरा, like that, and they collected in this way actually, right? So this thing is helpful to reduce the solid waste, right? For that, one more thing is there. Governments, state governments across the country, our country, are trying to push for reduction in use of plastics, right? आप रोड पे देखो, अगर आप पेपर एंड प्लास्टिक का बैग दोनों रखो, पेपर जो है, राइट, इट कैन बी ग्रेजुअली डिग्रेडेड, बट प्लास्टिक वैसे का वैसा ही रहेगा, right? That cannot be converted into any other form. But from the plastic, a toxic chemicals are released. जैसे जैसे sunlight उसका आएगा, from that the toxic chemicals are released, and that toxic chemicals causes hazardous effect, dangerous effect to the living organism. Not only that humans, but animals also. अगर cow है, buffalo, पता है, अगर हम उसको कुछ खाने के लिए देते, रोटी ले देते, प्लास्टिक बैग है, तो प्लास्टिक बैग भी हम वहां पे देते. Will plastic bag enter into the digestive tract of cow? That creates a lots of problem. So state government start trying to push for the reduction in use of plastic bags and use of eco-friendly packaging, right? Use the cloth bag or the paper bag, which is eco-friendly packaging. Then next type of waste is a hospital generated waste, which contain disinfectants and other harmful chemicals. Pathogens are there, pathogenic microorganisms are there, and such waste also require careful treatment and disposal. For that, certain machines are there, incinerate, okay, that we call disposed by incinerators. So this things helps in to dispose the hospital waste. Then third type of waste is there that we call e-waste, electronic waste. Nowadays mobile तो देखो सबके पास है, अभी तो लैपटॉप एंड कंप्यूटर, so many things. So irreparable computer and other electronic goods are known as a e-waste. E-waste are generally buried in the landfills or incinerated. But over half of this e-waste generated in the developed world are exported to developing countries. Mainly which countries? Developed countries, half of the e-waste export, developing countries, and India, China, and Pakistan. These three. Where metals like this, copper, iron, nickel, silicon, and gold recovered. Right? अब computers में देखो वहां पे भी copper है, mobile में भी. So these metals get recovered over here from that e-waste. Unlike developed countries which have specifically built facilities for recycling e-waste, right? Recycling in developing countries often involve manual participation, so exposing the workers to toxic substances present in e-waste. Recycling is the only solution for treatment of e-waste. Only the recycling is the solution for treatment of e-waste, provided it is carried out in an environment-friendly manner. Right? Then, so e-waste, mainly remember this thing. This line is very important. Okay, developed countries, half of the electronic waste export to developing countries. This country's name and this metal's name. ये दो तो learn करना ही है from this topic. Now, one of the case study is given for remedy for plastic waste. A plastic sack manufacturer in Bangalore has managed to find the ideal solution to the ever increasing problem of accumulating the plastic waste. One of the men, his name Ahmed Khan. Ahmed Khan, 50 years old man, has been producing a plastic sack for 20 years. About 8 years ago, he realized that plastic waste was a real problem actually. So he made what? First, plastic small granules like structure we call a polyblend. And this polyblend mixed with the bitumen. Bitumen in Gujarati we call damar, which is used to make a road. Right? And combination of these two utilized to make a roads. And when he made this thing, then it enhanced the bitumen's water repellent properties. Because you know, अगर only bitumen है, as you know, in our cities, in our countries, okay? Suppose आज new road बना, rainfall हुआ, right? Even few months ago, after few months, even rainfall is there, still गड्ढे पड़ जाते हैं, पता है ना roads पे large गड्ढे. Why? Because bitumen only, it's not enough to repel this water, right? Water remain on that. When this polyblend plastic is blend with this, mixed with this, then it enhance the bitumen's water repellent property and help to increase the road life. अगर only bitumen है तो suppose 1 year है, तो अगर bitumen plus polyblend है, then 4 to 5 years. So this mixture is mixed with the bitumen that is used to lay roads in collaboration with RV College of Engineering and the Bangalore City Corporation. Ahmed Khan made this, right? And the raw material for creating polyblend is any plastic film waste. जो waste है plastic का कोई भी, from that the polyblend is formed, right? So against the price of rupees, one of the thing is given that the reg packer 0.4 per kg has been getting for plastic waste. तो उसको अहमद खान ने कितना ऑफर किया, 6 rupees. So they start collecting this thing, and even in Bangalore in 2002, more than 40 kilometers of road has been already made by using this bitumen and the polyblend, right? So this much you have to prepare for plastic waste recycle or remedy for plastic waste to make a road, plastic plus bitumen road, right? So solid waste, in that first we have learned that's the municipal solid waste. Second we have learned that's the hospital solid waste. Then third we have learned that is electronic waste, right? Then types of the waste: biodegradable, recyclable, non-biodegradable. And lastly, that's the one of the case study in which, remember, Ahmed Khan name polyblend bitumen road, which has a more water repellent capacity. Okay, thank you.